Hi guys, we're back and we have a really exciting announcement.
We just launched the newest member of the Glow recipe family, the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm.
We're really excited about this launch for a lot of reasons and we're sure you will be too.
So what's a cleansing balm and why did we create one?
One of the keys to glowing, clear skin is to start your routine with a really great cleanse. We're not talking about getting that squeaky clean feeling that may actually be a sign that your cleanser is too harsh for your skin, but instead a really gentle, thorough cleanse that creates the perfect canvas for the rest of your routine.
In Korea, truly fresh skin is achieved through a double cleanse. The first step of that cleanse is to remove makeup, SPF, and other buildup that may have accumulated throughout the day. You can use a cleansing balm made up of nourishing oils and actives for this step. They're really fun to use, extremely effective, and they keep your skin feeling hydrated. The second step is to wash your face with an SLS-free cleanser. One of our favorite Korean beauty tricks is the one-to-one method where you massage each step into your skin for a full minute.
Papaya is such a superpowered food. It's naturally soothing, it's antioxidant rich, and contains vitamins A, C, and E. Additionally, it has these incredibly powerful yet gentle enzymes called PAPAIN. These enzymes help to soften, smooth, and brighten, and are ideal for daily use, even for sensitive and acne-prone skin.
This formula contains papaya extract and seed oils, which are incredible for skin barrier health, antioxidant-rich blueberry extract, nourishing and moisturizing camellia seed oil, and apricot kernel seed oil, which are all amazing to keep the skin hydrated, baby soft, and glowing.
We're proud to say that this formula is PEG-free. PEG is short for polyethylene glycol, which is a common ingredient in a lot of cleansing balms because it helps with makeup removal. We chose to formulate without PEG because it can cause sensitivity when used consistently, especially for skin types that are already more reactive. Instead, you'll find sorbitol in this formula, which is a solubilizer derived from olives, along with other botanical oils, and these all work together to thoroughly and deeply cleanse the skin.
This formula is also clean certified at Sephora and doesn't contain harsh ingredients such as parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, alcohol, and also it doesn't contain silicone or fragrance, and it still smells divine.
And the formula smells fresh and fruity due to skin beneficial ingredients in the formula like strawberry and blueberry extract.
Start by scooping out a generous amount of cleansing balm and spread between your dry palms. Make sure your skin is completely dry and then massage the formula into your skin. If you're wearing eye makeup, we recommend gently massaging the eye area first. And don't worry, this formula is ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested. It's safe for contact lens wearers and for sensitive skin as well.
The formula melts from a plush, soft balm into a beautifully silky oil as you massage it into the skin. I like to give myself a nice lymphatic massage during this step because your hands just glide over the skin.
Follow with the Blueberry Balance Gentle Cleanser and then apply the rest of your skincare routine, making sure you don't forget to apply SPF at the end of your daytime routine. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and we'll make sure to answer them.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!